How to make AI videos for TikTok. First of all, open up the Chrome browser on your phone. You can also use other browsers instead. Then, search for AI Video Generator and open the page. Once you are here, tap on Generate Video Now. Here, select the account you want to join with. For example, tap on Join with Google if you want to join in with your Google account. Now, select your Gmail account from here. You have now successfully logged in. On this page, type in the video topic you want in the text box. Then, tap on the arrow at the bottom right corner of the text box. Wait for the video to prepare. Now, tap on Continue. Your AI video is now ready. After viewing it, tap on Download below. From here, select the video resolution and then tap on Export at the bottom. Then, tap on Download again as shown. You have now successfully downloaded this video. Now, go back to your main menu and open up the TikTok application. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. Now, go to your media at the bottom right corner. Here, select the video you just downloaded and then tap on Next at the bottom. You can now edit the video as you like using the edit options before posting. Following these steps, you can easily make AI videos for TikTok.